Alright, my besties and Horace. We just came from Mall of America and now we're going to Ikea. Alright, so this is a walking distance right here. There's the Mall of America. Alright. That's the Mall of America right there. How we're walking here. We're just gonna check this out. Because we don't have Ikea in Alaska. So we're in Minnesota. I'm ready. Let's go, guys. Let's check this out. Alrighty. Here at the lower level. Let's go to the showroom entrance. We're hungry, so we're here at the Ikea. Kind of like a mini restaurant right here. Right. Salad is good right here. Looks good, yeah. They have lots of salads here. And of course drinks. There you go. Yeah. That looks delicious. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. This is so awesome. It's by tray. Yeah, you can get some. There you go. It's so cool right here. So organized. Right there. I'm gonna just grab some drinks. No, it doesn't tell everyone. That's $1?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. It's $2.
So
the
Acacia
is cheap.
Oh my god, it's cheap, huh?
It's pretty bad.
They're so cheap. Look at that, $9. So cute. Aww. They're so cheap right here. Oh my god. $1.99? But no, this one, it's only $1.99. Look at that, it's durable, it's quality and heavy. Oh yeah. $1.99. 29 cents for this one. And they're really durable, it's quality and heavy. I'm gonna buy more. Oh my god, food stool. Children's stool, $5.99. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh man, I don't have a baby, so I don't need that. My kids are all grown up. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Never knew this one is so huge and it's really cheap.
Look, Moose. Pumpkin.
Look at that. For the whole entire room, $500. Wow. Oh, sure, I see. This whole entire thing. What is this one? Hanger? Bottle? Compliment. White. Keeps your shawls, belts, ties, and accessories organized. It's not bad, huh? It's not bad. Ooh, we need this one. Oh, 79 cents. Wow. It's 270. It's not bad, huh? $4.99. This one if you want to organize your closet right here. These are all for the dividers, shelving, stuff like that. Wow.
Which one?
Brontour.
Oh, nice.
Oh, Bradley, that's you. Bradley,
It's $4.73 for this one.
I want this metal.
You want that one, son? I will make her.
Hey, look.
Oh, yeah.
I like this
Lay
bag.
down, lay down. Let me see. It's too small though.
No, look. Look at this.
Oh, it has organizer. Wow.
And the thing.
I like that one.
Does it work?
No. Wow, look at that. So cute. Wow, KFC guys are so cute.
Oh my god.
It's Christmas already. Oh wow, what? That's all $6.99? Oh my gosh, $6.99 only. Oh my gosh, so cheap. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Well, the gold is back. There you go. The wooden spoons. How much? $1.99? I'll buy a couple, I think. I like this one. It's so cute there. How much is that here? $5? What's that? What the heck? So cheap. 10? Oh man. Try this one. Sammy, this one. The bed.
Oh my goodness. This is $1.99 right there. $12 for that one. Oh, not bad. How much? $15?
Wow. I like this one. So cute. So cute. Oh, this is for teenagers' room, bedroom.
Give me when you're done. Okay, baby.
He's tired. We've been walking all day at the mall. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait, 19 for that? It's not bad. Not bad. Come on, for 19 for a hood. It's good. That's cheap.
Cheap. Wow. It's really cute here. 1,000 for a leather sofa. It's not bad. It's really not bad. 24 for that one. Wow. It's cute.
Yeah, this is 2,199. See this one? It's really comfy. If you are looking for an inspiration, go to Ikea. You'll see a lot. You'll get inspired by it there. This place, just like that. Wow, that is just beautiful. Look at this, 19999. That's the lamp. This one I love the color. Look at this. Wow.
Do you want a glass of wine?
Oh yeah, look at that. This one plant pot is 79 cents. That one. You see my hand? It's full of band-aid. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I like that color. Nice leather, brown green color. You can see the Mall of America right here. There you go. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like I'm in heaven. I love the cooking thingy. Cooking areas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so cheap. Oh. Oopsie. $9. Oh, I like that. I'm in heaven. Oh, I need apron. Apron. Where's it? Oh, I need that one. For the punch sheet. Oh yeah. There's a lot here, my besties. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Oh my god. Oh, 99.
What's this one?
What is that? For scrubbing. Wow, look at that. So cheap.
Oh, you would like it?
I know. You're right, yeah. I believe in it.
Look, 79 cents for the cleaning towel. Oh, you're pretty. Like, I'm not kidding. That's my dream.
So cheap. 99 cents for that. I give everybody like this for Christmas. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. $149. Oh my gosh, they have baskets. Oh my gosh. Wow, I miss Philippines now. Oh my goodness. Man, look at that. So for the walls, for my paintings. Oh my goodness, that is so cheap. So cheap. That is a party cooper. Oh my gosh, look at this design right here. It's cool beans. The lighting is right here. Oh yeah. Oh my god, they have like this too. Cool beans.
$1.
Wow, $1. Oh my god. So cheap. Oh my gosh, they have plants. These are real? Oh yeah, they are real. They are plants. Oh my god. Wow. Oh yeah, bonsai. Gosh, look at this whole thing. A warehouse. The warehouse. Look. Oh my goodness. Hey, babies. I got lost. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this cart is broken.
No, you did it. Fix up. I'm ready.
Self-checkout. Alright. So let's pay now. It's only $24.66. Oh yeah, it's cute. Alright, let's go now. We're going back to the hotel. Alright, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment below, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. We love you. Mwah.